I'm bringing you an unboxing and I'm showing it just as I received it. So late last night, knock at the door, and UPS showed up with this. And I just want to show you the condition. As you can see here on the side, it is all busted in. The bottom is all busted, you can see inside. It's kind of a mess. The other side has a big hole in it. The top looks fine. So I'm hoping everything inside is okay. This is an eBay purchase. And I did, you can see, it's sticking out the side. That gives a hint away, and you can see the bottom corner is all busted. But this is an eBay purchase. And I did message the seller saying, please pack well. And, well, let's just dig in. Back in a second. Camera back up on the tripod and plug it in because it was getting low on battery. But here we are getting ready to unbox this. And I hope and pray everything's okay inside. I must say, after I bid for this and won, it was shipped very quickly. Here we got some bubble wrap and some more bubble wrap. And someone's towel. Okay, well, I'm sure you guys know there's a hint of what it is. So I have a belt and a towel. So there we go. So they're zip tied. So let's clip the zip ties. Let's check this part out. It saved the screw. That is good. Guess I better what I do with my glasses. Let me grab my glasses. There we go. I'm only going to do hand tight. The handle looks like is in good condition. Has some scrapes on it, but that's normal for the age. Of course, this definitely is the original wire cord. Okay, there are a few places that have been nicked. Looks like been repaired with something. But okay, we got the I guess I could move a little closer. You guys can see. I'll pick it up for you. We have some bags for it. EnviroCare Technology. $4. Wonder where it came from. Anyway, so yes, as you can see, this is a vintage upright Hoover. Let's hope nothing happened to the wheel. Not too bad. It feels like there might be a belt in there. Yep, it does have a belt on there. That does not sound right, but we're going to find out. Oy vey. Yeah, that does not move very smooth at all. We're going to find it, we turn it on, but that doesn't look right at all. Okay, the bag seems to be in pretty good condition. Still has the Hoover logo on there. Does it have a bag? It has a bag already in it. Height adjustment, and it works. Handle release, that works. Still has the Hoover logo on the front here. A little bit of a crack here in the hood. And it looks like the plastic lens has gotten warm at some points, a little bit warped, probably from the heat. Okay. I mean, it's going to clean up nicely, I believe. My main concern is that motor. That does not seem right at all. But for the fun of it, I'm going to grab my phone and look this up to make sure I'm getting this correct. Okay. Says the headlight lens has a crack and is slightly deformed. Also a crack in the cover right above it. And the cord is in poor shape as shown. Comes with spare belt and a few bags. So yes, the cord has some issues, and I do see the crack in the lens. And then it says, working with headlight. It is working and with headlight. It is a Hoover upright model 707. Let's check. Yep, model 707, Hoover, 120 volt, 60, blah, 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 blah. Floor cleaner, 420 watts with tool, 625 watts. Canton, Ohio. So it says it's working with headlight. I'm kind of skeptical because of the sound of that motor when I spun it. I hate plugging these old things in, but we're going to see what happens. Well, didn't sound too bad, huh? Yeah, the motor to me doesn't sound 100%. You kind of hear, try to bring it up closer, and maybe you can hear the metal at the end. Yeah. I could have swore I saw It's a oldie, but is in working order. I'm going to put a few pieces of rice down just to do some pickups, so give me a second. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit of rice down. Let's just hope it doesn't blow up while I'm doing this, huh? Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. It's a little warm, but not hot. This has really nice bristles on it. Now, it's soft bristles, but it still has very nice feeder bars. Phone always rings. Anyway, there you go. If you guys get a chance, in the comments down below, what you think about these old vintage Hoover. They beat as they sweep as they clean. I would definitely like to locate a new cable for one of these. This one is pretty beat up. I would like to replace it with something original. I can always make or come up with a new cord, but I'd rather keep it original. You know what? Do these have suppressors in them? I can't remember. If you know, leave me a comment down below, because I do want to take this apart and clean it and do what I can with it and put it in my collection, and keep it. I do love these. What I liked about this one is in the bag, it still has the original Hoover logo on it here, And also on the front there, you see it in the corner, it's still intact. And it wasn't, you know, broken and all beat up. It does need to be cleaned up. I'll show you, I'll bring it up closer. You can see it is dirty. That's just, you know, age. But I can clean that all up. But the underneath is in very good condition. No rust or anything. So I don't think it's ever been in like a basement or outside or anything, because there's no rust on it. It's just all normal wear and tear. The bag is in good condition. There's no tears or rips in that. Yeah, the only thing I see is it does have a little crack here, and the plastic lens here is a little bit warped from the light bulb. But I probably can take that out and put an LED light bulb in there, and you know, that way if I do use it, it's not going to warm up, it won't heat up anymore. And it still says on the lens, if you can read it, convertible. So, wow, I still think these are neat. I love them. I love the sound it makes on the carpet. But anyway, there we go. That's back to normal. Anyway, there you go. A 707 Hoover upright, vintage, in this, what is this, like an avocado greenish yellow color, I don't know, but there we go. I don't see any damage from the packaging. That makes me happy. And it is running. But again, if you do know if these come with suppressors or not, I haven't opened one up in a long time. Anyway, I'll bring you along with that. If you don't want to, it's okay, but I think some people out there might be interested in this. I might message Hoover Lux on his channel, or go watch some of his videos, because he's opened up a couple of these as well. Anyways, thank you for coming along. I'll be talking to you soon. I hope everybody out there is having a great day. Take care. Talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now.